Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Shout Out Sunday, and it's fairy gardens and miniature channels that I shouted out last week. And this was one of my favorite ones, as you can see. And I just love her. She is so creative, and please go check her out. But this week we're going to be talking about garden channels. And some of these garden channels are a little on the small side and may need your help. You know, remember how hard it was when you started out. And I try to do a shout out Sunday at least once a week. And just to share with you just a little bit of the magic and whimsy she builds. She builds these beautiful displays. So go check her out. And don't forget to check the garden channels out today. Here is my very first shout out today. And this channel is super tiny. And she really needs our help. So, let's go over and give her some help. I am her second follower. I said she needed a lot of help. She does garden videos, and they're not bad garden videos, just that nobody knows anything about her. So please let her know that Grandma Sandy sent you. There's only the 5 videos. Now, I loved her comment in telling her she needs to try to put some kind of garden video up once a week. Hopefully she will listen to me. Another reason why I don't know for sure if this is why she has such slow growth on her channel is that you have to leave comments on all the videos you watch. It doesn't even matter if they're garden videos, because I watch a lot of things that are just not about gardening, and I always leave comments, and those wonderful friends of mine come and watch my gardening videos along with whatever they're interested in. So leave comments. This is important. When you watch any video, this is why my channel moved so bad in the beginning. I know this was one of the biggest reasons. Number 1 reason why my channel took 5 years to move. I needed to leave comments. I can't tell you how many movie videos I watched all the way through and never left a comment. Very bad decision on my part. Second one, never joined in with anybody about anything for 5 years, if you can believe it. That was another big mistake I made. Once I started leaving comments on every single video, even if it has nothing to do with my channel started growing. Once I started joining in with different groups, my channel started growing. So these are 2 things you need to think about, all of you. But you better go over here and leave her at least a couple of comments today. Let her know that we thought about her. I'm going to try to get her to putting up content at least once a week or once a month, for she can also grow also because of that. You have to put something up. You don't have to put up like I do. That's craziness. But set something up once a week, some small little gardening thing, and it will grow. So come on, guys, give her some love and support. She's been doing this for 2 years. That's what it was? Yeah, 2 years. Yeah. She should have a lot more followers in 2 years, and she should have a lot more videos in 2 years. And you don't have to show your whole garden. Just take one little tiny bit of bloom, one little project you're doing in your gardens, planting seeds, watching the seeds grow, and right there you got a ton of videos. So let's see who else we're going to give a shout out today to. Don't forget to let them know that Grandma Sandy sent you. My Urban Garden Mary. She has 165 videos, and I'm number 212 follower. And she's got a lot of great content and a lot of great videos. Go check her out and see what she's going to share. Hi, my awesome friends. And here's another wonderful smaller channel that needs our help. Gardening After the Freeze, and this is by My Urban Garden Mary. And this is something that I like, coming and watching small channels and watching their gardens. And they come up with some great ideas, some great tips. And I also live in town, so I don't have a lot of land to garden. So this title is letting me know that she has a small piece of land also. And I also am trying to raise more stuff and raise beds. And so is she. And it's showing me how it's working for her. So Just because a channel is small doesn't mean it is not a good channel. So please go over and check out My Urban Garden Mary. And she's talking this week about gardening after a freeze. And she's got 138 views on this video. That's not overly good, but that's not overly bad. Because I'll tell you, I have a lot of people following my channel, and I have a lot of videos at 138 views. So I think she's doing pretty good for only having 211. And I'm going to be 212. I'm going to join her channel right now. And I joined her channel to see all, because I want to check out how her raised beds are working for her, because that is what I'm going to start doing. Putting a bunch of raised beds in this year. Because I'm thinking my health is getting worse, my leg is getting worse. I need to make gardening easier for me. And I want to see how this is working for her. So let me know what you thought. Please go check out Mary's channel, and please let Mary know that I sent you over. And let her know that you came from this shout out. We want her to know that she's loved and cared about, and we're going to help her build her channel. Come on, guys. I know there's a lot of you that struggled in the beginning to get your channels moving. And if you had had a little more help, how much easier it would have been. That's why I do the shout outs every week, to try to help these small channels. Now, come on, guys. Let's get out there and give her some love and support. Don't forget to tell her Grandma Sandy sent you. And let's see if we can get her moving a little better on her channel. I'll see you in the next shout out. So you guys better be giving her some wonderful shout outs. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and shout outs that we gave out to 3 great garden channels. Some of them were really tiny, and some are just starting out. But I know with all of my awesome friends, they can all do much better in a short amount of time. Let's give love and support to these small channels, for they don't struggle like we did. It took me 5 years to get my channel moving. 5 years. That was horrible. So don't forget, guys, let's help, help, help.